DXP Supply Chain Services, also known as SCS, specialize in maintaining your maintenance, repair, and operating products and procedures, keeping them stocked and running at optimal levels, allowing our customers to focus on their core competencies. Our specialized programs digitize the customer supply chain, therefore improving efficiency, increasing uptime, and reducing costs. DXP's key implementation services create a master digital database for storeroom organization with systemic item management, inventory optimization, and removal of duplicate or obsolete parts. The implementation services provide complete supply chain mapping and barcoding, giving full visibility and control. This visual storeroom transformation creates more efficient operational procedures and flow, saving customers time and money in accessing daily MRO product needs, all done with 6S, OSHA, and sustainability in mind. With our services, we provide complete and accurate data that enables better utilization of your front-end purchasing, inventory management, and CMMS system. DXP Supply Chain Services provide operational excellence through customer-driven and specialized on-site maintenance, repair, and operating programs to improve efficiency, increase uptime, and reduce costs. Learn more about DXP's key implementation services at www.dxpe.com/supply chain services.